Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are diving deep into the world of financial data analysis using Python and a powerful library called yfinance. It's also called Yahoo Finance. Whether you are a data enthusiast, a financial buff, or just curious about Python, this tutorial is for you. So grab your favorite coding beverages and let's get started. First thing first. So first we have to introduction to why finance. So that is Yahoo Finance. First we have to install this library. So we know that to install a module we have to use py install. Then you have to type the name. That is why finance. Is spelling is NNCE. After entering, it started installing. So don't worry, it is a quick and straightforward. So it's already installed. Let's see how we'll run this. So we said it's used for fetching historical data, historical stock data. So we know the stock market, how important is the historical price and other data. So let's see how fetching historical data using yfinance. Now that we have yfinance on board, okay, so we know that we already installed that yfinance. So let's start by fetching historical stock data with just a few lines of Python code. We can retrieve valuable information like open, high, low, close, and adjusted close prices. Let's jump into the code together. So here is small code to fetch historical data for a particular stock. Here stock symbol is AAPL. We can change it to any stock if you want Google stock or Microsoft stock price. That means historical data you can fetch. So as you said, we are importing that Y finance and define the stock symbol at the date range. So stock symbol is we have specified and start date and end rate. So within this date we need all the historical financial data. This actually Y finance providing all the historical data. That is actually a little bit outdated, right? And here the features of this Y finance download option is there. So download the data by passing stock symbol, start date and range and date. This is the parameter we have to in this particular date range we need stock historical data of particular stock. That's all, right? It's simple, right? We got this. So what they have it with just a few lines of code, we have fetched historical stock data of AAPL. So then we have here all data. We are printing only a few lines, first few lines of the data. That's why head we used. We know that head what we for that. So that is over. We'll run the script. Let's see the result. See, this is the rice, right? We have the details here: open, high, low, close, and adjust to close prices here. So let's see, we'll change this to this for APL, we'll change this to Google, and we're going to run again. We'll see what will happen. See, you can see here the price details of open, high,